Ever feel like your trading chart looks like a bowl of spaghetti? Lines everywhere, indicators stacked on top of each other, RSI saying buy, MACD saying sell, and your channel indicator? Completely confused. Yeah, we've all been there. But what if one indicator could actually adapt to the market in real time, instead of forcing you to constantly adjust settings? Today we're looking at something that's been getting a lot of attention in the trading community: AI Channel Trader Pro. And no, before you ask, this isn't one of those get-rich-overnight magic indicators, but it does claim to solve a problem most traders struggle with every single day. Here's the issue most traders face. They stack indicator after indicator hoping to find clarity: RSI, moving averages, VWAP, channels, oscillators, and suddenly, your chart becomes unreadable. Instead of helping you make decisions, those indicators start contradicting each other. RSI says overbought, MACD shows a bullish crossover, your channel suggests resistance. So what do? Most traders hesitate, miss the trade, and watch the move happen without them. Sound familiar? This is exactly the problem AI Channel Trader Pro claims to solve. Instead of stacking 5 or 6 separate indicators, it combines everything into one adaptive system, one overlay, 6 dynamic channel bands, and a momentum oscillator that works alongside it. And the interesting part? You don't have to configure anything. No parameter tweaking, no constant optimization. Just apply the indicator and it automatically adapts to the current market conditions. The system analyzes volatility, price structure, and momentum on every bar. When the market becomes volatile, the channel widens. When the market calms down, the channel tightens. This creates dynamic support and resistance levels that move with the market, instead of drawing static lines and hoping price respects them. Now let's talk about the momentum system. Most oscillators only tell you 2 things: bullish or bearish. But this indicator introduces a 4-state momentum system: bullish and strengthening, bullish but weakening, bearish and strengthening, bearish but fading. That extra layer of information can help traders understand whether a move is gaining power or running out of steam. Imagine this scenario. It's 9:45 in the morning. Price pushes toward the upper channel band. Momentum is still bullish but beginning to fade. You place a limit order near that level, waiting for confirmation. Price taps the band, rejects, and starts moving back toward the channel midpoint. Now that doesn't guarantee profit. No indicator can promise that, but it gives you structure and context before the move even happens. Another feature worth mentioning is the built-in institutional levels. The indicator automatically plots session VWAP, deviation bands, and pivot levels. These are levels many professional traders already watch, and instead of adding more indicators to your chart, they're integrated directly into the same system. Now, let's be honest for a moment. No indicator, no matter how advanced, will make you profitable on its own. Trading still requires discipline, risk management, and a solid strategy. But tools like this can make the decision process much clearer. So, if you're tired of cluttered charts, constant indicator tweaking, and conflicting signals, an adaptive system like AI Channel Trader Pro might be worth exploring. At the very least, it shows an interesting direction for where trading tools are heading: smarter indicators, cleaner charts, and systems that adapt to the market instead of forcing traders to chase it. But hey, what do you think? Would you trust an adaptive indicator like this on your charts? Or do you prefer building your own indicator stack? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoy deep dives into trading tools, strategies, and market insights, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.